What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are down at our main shop. I just backed my Colorado into our shop here. I have to connect this new pressure washer trailer to my truck and drag it up to our Dutchess yard. My father wants to use it over the weekend, so I need to get it up there. It was either today or tomorrow I'm bringing it up, so I decided to come here and get it done today. I don't think I've made a video using this yet. Rodrigo's used it a few times, but I don't believe I was ever recording any time that we've used it. So I'm definitely gonna come and make a video at our Dutchess yard with this while we have it up there. But first I need to get it over to my truck and fill it up with water. We're gonna use water here rather than using my father's well to fill this. This is a 200-gallon tank. I'll show you that real quick. You guys might not have been able to see it from this side. I'm sure you heard it. But there is a valve here that I didn't know about that was open to drain it. And all the water I just put in there was dumping right out. But let's get this filled up now that we have it closed. All right, let's see how long it takes to fill this. It is currently 250, so I'll let you know when we're done. All right, I just opened it up all the way. It's 252, and we only made it to like right here. So I opened it all the way. We're at full pressure now, so we'll have a good idea of how long it takes. It seems to be going pretty quick. All right, guys, so it is 3:05 right now, and the line is right here. Oh. Thing wants to move. I'm going to take it all the way to the top. So we're about 15 minutes, I guess just shy of 15 minutes if I had it open all the way from when I started. But we're going to take it all the way to the top so it's not sloshing around while I'm driving. It should be good there. There's not much room, but we're basically there, so we might as well just go until we're at the top. All right, so it is, let's see, it's 3:06 right now, and the water is to the top. Throw this on there. Make sure that's tight. All right, let's hit the road. I'll see you guys at our Dutchess yard. All right, guys, that is pretty much, whoa, almost just knocked everything off this table here. But that is pretty much it. I got the pressure washer parked in the trailer, or in the garage here, trailer disconnected, and I'm about to hop in. We did rent this tool today. I didn't record anything at that job site, but obviously we have a cut and brake saw in there, so I need to go return that real quick. I have about a half hour to get to the place, and it's like 15 minutes away, so we're pretty much just gonna make it. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.